In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can redline your PDFs in Adobe Acrobat. So redlining a document is the process of tracking changes between document drafts, and the name actually comes from the red lines that word processing programs add under the text when they track changes. But to redline your PDF in Adobe Acrobat, so you open your document in Acrobat and then you have this quick toolbar here, which gives you the option to either add a comment, replace a selected text, insert text, add a text comment, or attach a file. We're going to use the add a comment and the strike through option. So strike through here and then make sure you have the red color selected. We're going to strike through a line of text here. Then when you click it, you have the option to add a comment, just like that, and you post it. You can add a comment like this. For example, add a comment here, test, and then you can also say replace a selected text. So you select text here, and then you say what you want to do with it, like that. Now, when you have this, for example, this one here, when you click it, you right click it, you can choose properties. And in properties, you can change the appearance, you can change the general information and also the review history. So that's nice to know. But when you click it, you also get the option to delete it if you want to. And when you want to see all the comments posted in a document where you're working on, you can click this here and you see all the comments. You can also edit them just by clicking or replying like this. And you can edit them as well. And now you can redline your text like this, and then anyone receiving the text will see your comments in your changes, and they can reply it or apply the requested changes themselves, and the document can go back and forth like that until eventually the document is as it's supposed to be. But that's how you can easily redline documents in Adobe Acrobat. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.